Okay, everybody, I think it's the end of July anyway. So I'm going to do a quick video here as to why we're always in the dark. And this will make it's an eye-opener. And why there's no such thing as clean coal. Notice the least you see is blue. And this is what we put up with every day. So I'm in Mooresville, North Carolina. Lake Norman, right in the middle of it, 150 bridge. I'm traveling down 150 headed west. Now this morning it was dark. So what they've done is they've lightened up whatever chemicals are blowing out of here, so that you can start to see through this stuff, whatever that may be. I know there's a ton of different chemicals that they use in these plants, chemicals they don't tell you about. I know people that work there, they say it's hell on earth. Now, you got to ask yourself, how devastating is it that this plant can cover the sky for 30 miles in any direction, probably 100 miles. Now, there's a bunch of them, but this one's one of the bigger ones. Oh, look at this. Okay, so you want to see guilt, people. Here's total guilt, right? So the whole entire sky is massacred anywhere you look. And it's identical to this. That's all there is to it. So coal plants are used for weather modification, to make rain bombs, to make storms, destroy the drinking water, destroy your wells eventually, hide the sun so we can't grow our own food. Look at this nasty thing. Absolutely unbelievable, the devastation and the damage that this thing does. That look clean to anybody? Not a chance in hell. So all these clouds that people, all these beautiful white poofy clouds, they're natural. There's no such thing as natural clouds. It's like there's no such thing as contrails. They don't exist. So I'll pull over real fast here. So this is the Marshall steam station. It's one of Duke Energy's death sticks. Oh yeah, baby. See what's going on here, people? Let me roll my window down. So this is your weather. This is the Marshall steam station. See what it's doing? It's creating the weather. It's revolting. See? So you can't deny it. Now, we'll drive back. The dog in the back of the truck. We gotta be careful what I'm doing. Right? So this is the skies because of this. Alright? Here it is. Just because they're white doesn't mean it isn't coal ash. It means they stuffed. Yeah, see, there's a big chemtrail right there too. Scumbags. So, you don't see any blue sky hardly at all. Okay? Beautiful Lake Norman, which is the Catawba River, which is actually polluted to holy hell and back because of all of these, they put sewage treatment plants all over them, right? And then just dump it into the lakes and the rivers. It's disgusting. Especially in the summer when it gets hot, man. It's gross as hell. There's a nice big chemtrail. So, I just documented and showed you that Duke Energy is destroying our atmosphere, the air that we breathe, destroying our water, our crops. This is every day, people. Every single day this happens. There's no such thing as a clear day here unless the steam plant is off. People just wander around oblivious to this stuff, thinking that it's clouds. It's chemicals. So, and also, like I said before, this stuff swirls in circles. I think it's an updraft process because of the amount of heat and vapor that they send out of that thing. And you watch a campfire burn and you'll see the vortex that it creates. It'll pull off the bottom, spiral up the top, and then the smoke circles around the fire. So imagine how beautiful it would be if there were no coal plants. Then you wouldn't have cancer. This whole town of ours is built on a pile of coal ash. I'm sure my shop is sitting on a mountain of that shit. We have good water there. Hopefully, you know, our well went deep enough. So you can't get away from this stuff. I don't care where you go in the world, there's always coal ash clouds. Because somewhere there's a coal plant. So everywhere you look, I don't care where it is. Got my smelly kid with me. What are you doing, bub? Hanging out. Dog loves to ride in the truck. So anywhere you look, people, it's coal ash, coal ash, coal ash. Okay? The humidity around here is horrific. You know why? Because of the steam plant. Because it's a steam plant. You know, you let your kettle go nuts underneath some cabinets and look at all the condensation falling back down onto the stove. Because it's a steam plant. It's water vapor injected up into the air. Add chemicals, it gets suspended until it cools down and falls back on you. It's all poison. Alright, so I'm back at the shop now. Okay? And there's the Marshall stink station right there. See it? Can't deny it, people. It's just how it is. So it's right there, and it's bombing all this stuff up in the atmosphere. It's the world we live in. Deplorable. Scott's Marine, we're back. All right, and I'm out.